In this week's guitar lesson, I'm going to show you how to read the notes D, E, and F. So let's get into it. This, of course, comes from the book, The Missing Method for Guitar Note Reading Series, Book 3, which covers the notes in the 9th position. So we're up in this 9th, 10th area of the fretboard. So the D, which is our first one, looks like this. And you play it at the 10th fret on string number 1. So that includes 2 ledger lines, and it's above that second ledger line. Then we go to the note E, which is at the 12th fret. Now you probably already know that because E, of course, is the same as the open string at the 12th fret. So E, that goes through 3 ledger lines, and it's through the top ledger line. Then we have the F note. The F is at the 13th fret. That is also 3 ledger lines, but it's on top of that last ledger line. So D, E, and F. So to practice these, we're going to take a look at studies 1 and 2 found on page 20 of Missing Method 3. So let's take a look. All right, I'm going to play study number 1 slowly at first so you can listen to it and see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to play it at full speed, and you can play along with that as well if you'd like. So here's study number 1 slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice how I'm not lifting off my fingers when I switch notes. I'm trying to keep them in place unless I have to move them. Let's go ahead and look at that same study, but this time I'm going to play it a little bit faster. And once you're ready, come back to this part of the video and play along. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. Let's move on to study number 2, which mixes things up just a little bit more. So for this one, we're also starting on the D, and this time we have half notes. So I'm going to kind of talk you through it, and then I'll play it at full speed so you can try playing along. Study number 2, we have D, hold, E, hold, F, F, E, E, F, E, All right, so here it is without me talking over it, so you can play along. And we have 1, 2, ready, play, and... Those are studies number 1 and 2 from the Missing Method for Guitar Note Reading Series, Book 3. If there are any songs or examples from any of the Missing Method books you'd love to see, just let me know in the comments section, and I'll be sure to do a video on that. Until then, get to practicing, and then I will see you for the next lesson.